Hello students, we are going to start a new topic of fourth chapter and topic is sigma bond. Now what is sigma bond? A covalent bond formed due to overlapping of orbitals of the two atoms along the line joining the two nuclei is called sigma bond. For example, the bond formed due to S and S, Sp and Pp overlapping along the orbital axis or sigma bond. Next, pi bond. A covalent bond formed by the sidewise overlapping of p or d orbitals of two atoms is called as pi bond. For example, the bond formed due to the sidewise overlapping of the two p orbitals is a pi bond. Next, hydrogen bond. The bond between the hydrogen atom of one molecule and a more electronegative element of same or another molecule is called as hydrogen bond. Now, hybridization. The process of mixing of the atomic orbitals to form new hybrid orbitals is called hybridization. All hybrid orbitals of a particular kind have equal energy, identical shapes, and are symmetrical oriented in shape. The hybrid orbitals are designed according to the type and the atomic orbitals. Now, total numbers of sigma and pi bond in C2H2 and C2H4. There are 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds in C2H2 and there are 5 sigma and 1 pi bond in C2H4. Now, write the significance of a plus and minus sign shown in representing the orbitals. This is question. Write the significance of a plus and a minus sign shown in representing the orbitals. Molecular orbitals are represented by wave function. A plus sign in an orbital indicates a positive wave function, while a minus sign in an orbital represents a negative wave function. Now, another question. How do you express the bond strength in terms of bond order? Bond strength represents the extent of bonding between two atoms forming a molecule. The larger the bond energy, the stronger is the bond and the greater is the bond order. Now, another question. Define the bond length. Bond length is defined as the equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms in the molecule. Now, next question. Arrange the bonds in order of increasing ionic character in the molecule like LIF, K2O, ClF2, SO2 and N2. So this is order N2 less than SO2 less than ClF3, K2O and LIF. Now once again new question, define octet rule. Or what is octet rule? The elements tend to adjust the arrangement of their electron in such a way that they achieve 8 electrons in their outermost shell. This is called octet rule. Define lattice enthalpy. The energy required when 1 mole of an ionic compound in crystalline form is split into the constituent ions is called lattice enthalpy. Now, question: which type of bond is formed when the atoms have zero difference in electronegativity? Answer is covalent bond. Now, another question: define hydrogen bond. Is it weaker or stronger than the van der Waals forces? And answer is a hydrogen bond is defined as an attractive force acting between the hydrogen attached to an electronegative atoms of one molecule and an electronegative atom of a different molecule, and it may be the same kind. There are two types of hydrogen bond. First, intermolecular hydrogen bond, as for example HF and H2O. Next, second type of hydrogen bond is intramolecular hydrogen bond, as for example orthonitrophenol. Hydrogen bonds are stronger than van der Waals forces since hydrogen bonds are regarded as an extreme form of dipole-dipole interaction. Now, another question: write the favorite factors for the formation of ionic bond. And answer is low ionization enthalpy of metal atom. Second, high electron gain enthalpy of an non-metal atom. And third factor, high lattice energy of the compound form. Another question: explain the important aspects of resonance with the reference to the CO2 ion. According to experimental findings, all carbon to oxygen bonds in CO2 are equivalent. Hence, it is inadequate to represent CO2 ion by a single lattice structure having two single bonds and one double bond. Therefore, carbonic ion CO3 ion is described as resonance hybrid of the following. Now, another question: use Lewis symbols to show electron transfer between the following atoms. 1. Ca and O, calcium and oxygen. Now, electronic configuration of Ca and O are as Ca2882, having 20 atomic number, and electronic configuration is 2882, and oxygen A electronic configuration is 2,6. Oxygen requires 2 electrons more to complete its octet, whereas calcium has 2 electrons more than the nearest noble gas. The electron transfer takes place as calcium 2882 means there are 2 electrons in outermost orbital and oxygen having 6 electrons in the outermost orbital. So, calcium gives 2 electrons to oxygen and complete their octet. Now, another question. Use molecular orbital theory to explain why the Be2 molecule does not exist. The electronic configuration of beryllium Be is 1/2 Na minus Nb. This is bond order for Be2, and the configuration of beryllium is 1s2 and 2s2. The molecular orbital electronic configuration for Be2 molecule can be written as 1s2 and 2s2, and the bond order for Be2 is 1/2 Na/Nb, where Na means number of electrons in bonding orbitals and Nb means number of Nb means number of electrons in bonding orbitals, and Na is equal to number of electrons in anti-bonding orbitals, and bond order of Be2 is equal to 1/2 4 minus 4 means 0. Now, important question. Write difference between sigma and pi bond, or distinguish between a sigma and pi bond. So, as we know about sigma bond, it is formed by the end to the end overlap of orbital. Sigma bond is formed by the end-to-end overlap of orbitals, and pi bond is formed by the lateral overlap of orbitals. And in the side of sigma bond, the orbitals involved in the overlapping are SS, SP or PP. And for the pi bond, these bonds are formed by the overlap of p orbitals only. Sigma bond is a strong bond and pi bond is weak bond.